Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great. My name is Yassin Morghadi and I am a nursing student. And if Allah wills, in this channel, I'm gonna make videos about nursing school, about tips and tricks for the people as a nursing student and based on the things that we study on school and also based on my own research. And I hope that I can help you guys if Allah wills, and I can educate you. If Allah wills, we can proceed with this channel and go forth. If Allah had other plans for us, so I hope that at least we can learn from this. I can educate myself and you guys. And that's it. This is my first video. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing good. And I hope that the next videos can be actually helpful and meaningful to you guys and also to me, if Allah wills. And yeah, see you on the next videos.